Hello everyone, the website I'm gonna introduce today called Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform used as educational technology in schools and other educational institutions. And as we can see, there are four parts in this website: homepage, discover, Kahoot, and the reports. I always use the discover to find the formative assessment for my lesson plan. For example, if I search American Revolution, there are many choices I can choose. For example, I choose the first one. So when I touch it, it will show you the right answer and the wrong answer. So I think Kahoot can be used to review students' knowledge for formative assessment, and it also can as a break from the traditional classroom activities. So that's all. Thank you.